Okay, so if you have any type of cryptocurrency, you should get one of these. This is a Ledger Nano S. So the box comes in, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is basically just going to keep your crypto safe. If you buy it on an exchange, you want to take it off. So this is what it actually looks like. Let's see if that's in focus. And this particular one was the clear, so that you can see the like insides, which I thought was really cool. Very easy to use. It comes with, let me open this up, show you all the stuff that's inside here. The instructions, you want to read this if you're not familiar with using these. I've had a couple of these, so I'm pretty familiar with it. Comes with this, which you can attach to this piece to, carry it around. I've been just keeping it inside the box for whatever reason. USB to this piece here. I'm not sure what this is actually called, but it plugs into this really easily. And then, the buttons up top work pretty well for setting up password and maneuvering around. You can't really see that right now. Am I gonna focus? I might have too much stuff, hold on. Trying to focus it in so you can see this. There we go. So you can see the buttons on the top there and there. And then the screen lights up when it's plugged in to tell you what's happening. So it's very convenient. It slides through so you can take it with you, put it in your pocket, or put it into a safety deposit box or wherever you're going to keep it to keep your crypto safe. So I can definitely recommend.